Oke gengs, nah sekarang tanggal 26 Agustus ya 2025 kita akan melakukan kiriman mesin dari terbaru DX untuk kantin tempe 5 Kota Jambi ya guys. Nah ini masih dalam harga promo ya guys ya, harga Kemerdekaan. Jadi waktunya itu tinggal 2 hari lagi, terakhir tanggal 28 ya. Buat kalian yang mau upgrade atau mau mulai usaha, manfaatkan kesempatan ini mumpung harganya turun gila-gilaan nih guys ya. Kapan lagi dan kapan lagi akan terjadi ya. Manfaatkan sebelum promonya habis. Sekarang kita akan pengiriman untuk kantin tempe 5 Kota Jambi. Let's go.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I'm in hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Good, awas good. Ah.